Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to talk about a post that I saw on the Redbubble and TeePublic Secrets Facebook group. If you're looking for a Facebook group that doesn't have any spam and genuinely gives good advice about print on demand, this group is very, very good. But this post yesterday, so let's read through it. Hi, I have some designs which ranked at the first page of a certain niche for over a year. And those designs have a ranking for best-selling designs under that niche. But today, I searched using the niche keyword and I should have seen my 3 designs within the first 30 to 50 designs, but 2 of them are gone. I couldn't find them from page 1 to 15, but they made sales even 2 days ago. Those designs are original designs and creating regular sales for the last 2.5 years. They are on my store, I can see them there, but they are not found when I'm searching them with keywords under which they ranked within top 50 designs. What should I do and why is this happening? Kindly, please help me. Okay, so my immediate suggestion here, this is me, Hamish Davison, is probably there was an algorithm update yesterday, and I want to talk about this in a bit more detail and give you some more evidence, and then we're going to read through some of these other responses. Chris Hughes has some great responses on here, and also Phil and Alexi. Phil here, really good print on demand. It's a good Facebook group. You'll find a lot of help here. Let's just quickly talk about the proof that I've come up with. Okay, so this is the funny sticker search term. Okay, this is a really cool sticker, but it's breaking copyright of 2 different people or companies. Okay, so this is today. You can see, scrolling now, yeah, you can have a look at any of these keywords. But if you go on the Wayback Machine, if you go on the Wayback Machine and search for funny stickers, you can see that they're completely different. Okay. Only this one is the same, pretty much, and this one has moved up. This is completely gone. So if I go here, Control F, and do Jesus, it's not even on the first page anymore. So imagine going from here to not even being on the first page, okay? And this is one of the problems with algorithms. This is how algorithms affect our businesses directly. This also happens with Google for SEO, okay? You can be ranking one day, you can be ranking here, and the next you can not even be on the first page anymore, okay? So my theory, this post here on Facebook was from 1 day ago. So it seems to me on Friday, of July, Friday the 7th, I think, of July, or maybe the 8th, there was a Redbubble algo update, okay? So an algorithm update, basically what they do is they change the weighted percentage of something to make other things rank. So let's just do a quick test here. Let's click on this here. Let's see if there's anything that they're doing that they shouldn't have been doing, okay, which might have led them to losing this ranked spot. Off the bat, the sticker, the tags look fine, but there are actually some copyright infringement. There is some copyright infringement here, so TikTok stickers, TikTok. Apart from that, yeah, TikTok again. Let's see if there's any, well, I mean, these are all just copyright infringement, so it's kind of insane. I mean, do they have permission to use Betty White's image here? So it can't be anything to do with copyright, okay, first of all. So what it might be is they've increased the weight of new designs, okay? So this is possible. This is something that they often do. They often give more of a percentage weight to newer content. Google does the same thing. So it is kind of unfortunate. I tried to find out on Redbubble if they write about their algorithm updates. Every time Google has an algorithm update, they tell us about a month before or even longer before. They give us a broad analysis of what will be changing. and kind of what percentages and what weights they will start giving to new things. Redbubble doesn't do this, okay? So we have to use a little bit of research to try and find out what is actually going on here. Oh, so another thing seems to be they've removed Afterpay, which I didn't even know they had. So on the Wayback Machine they have Afterpay. On their current website they do not have Afterpay, which is super interesting. Okay, so let's just quickly put this by best selling to see whether we can work out what the hell is going on here. So this is still here. Interestingly enough, this is still the second best seller in the funny sticker niche, but it's just stopped. It's just stopped ranking here, which is just super strange for me. Yeah, I don't know why. It's honestly really hard to say why. Maybe it's just new content. So looking at this, I think it would be a really good idea to start releasing content. Is this new? Trending? Has that always been there? Wait, that's new. I'm pretty sure. Maybe it's not, but normally when there's an algorithm update, one of the best things you can actually do is start uploading, okay? Start uploading, try some new things, and try to see what works, okay, and what doesn't work. So there are a couple of things that we can do. We can wait, I just had an idea about why this might be happening. Let me just have a quick look. Let's go on this design again. This is on the Wayback Machine. This is not on the Wayback Machine. Let's have a look. There's no description here. Seriously? There's not even Betty White is mad. That's the description. Okay. Jesus meme. That's the description. So it's nothing to do with the description either. It's really hard to know why this is happening, but it definitely just seems to be newer designs. They've obviously just changed something up. They do this frequently. This will happen a lot, and they're basically just trying to find the sweet spot between what people are searching for and what people are uploading. Thinking about it, something that's really missing is like an Ahrefs of Redbubble, which would track your rankings basically. This would actually it wouldn't be that difficult to make something like this. I think Sergey from what's it called? Redbubble Index, Bubble Index, whatever it's called. No, wait, what's it called? Bubble Spider. Yeah, the guy from Bubble Spider, I might talk to him about this. It would be so good to have a rank tracker, but not just for you. If there's a rank tracker on Redbubble, you can also see when there are algorithm updates, okay? Because you can see how all of the keywords are basically affected, okay? And all this tool would have to do would be to search for a keyword on Redbubble, like funny sticker, and you could add your own keywords, and it would just tell you like the top 50 designs, okay? It would be really easy to make. It'd be a really good tool. I'm thinking more and more about it, because once you have this data as well, you can then help give keywords as well to people. If anyone's a coder and they're watching this, please consider making an Ahrefs tool for Redbubble or for Etsy or whatever. I guess they already exist for Etsy. But yeah, basically the point of this video is to let you know that I think 2 days ago there was potentially an algorithm update, and I just wanted to make people aware of this, because this can affect your store, and you might not know why suddenly you've had an increase in sales or a decrease in sales. They're both decreased, but whatever, you get what I mean. So if you've just seen that there are more sales or less sales, then this might be the reason. Have a look at your keywords. If you've seen your keywords ranking, just have a quick look and make sure they're still ranking, because it could be that you've lost your position on Redbubble, and that's why suddenly you're not making as much money as you were before. One way to do this is just to search for your designs. So I just wanna grill, for God's sake. Mine was number one forever. Yo, where's my design? There it is. So mine was number one. It's now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. It's now 10th. So a good thing to experiment with actually, and I might do this, is to upload another design and see whether it ranks above these ones. I think I'm going to do that for another video, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. Thanks for watching. I'm going to keep experimenting with this and trying to give you guys as much detail as possible as to what is happening with our Redbubble stores. This is super interesting. I was number one here for as long as I can remember. I was also number one on Google. I expect to still be number one on Google. Yeah, I am. Okay. I am still number one. There it is, by Stream Surfer. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I hope this helps, and I will keep investigating for us. Peace.